Hey everyone, this is Sissy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these paper strings. I've used pink color tissue paper pom poms and a white flower which I made with paper doilies. So check out how I've done this. I made these for my sister-in-law's baby shower. I'll try to include the pictures of the function in the video.
For this project we are using small pom poms. To make this, you have to cut the tissue papers to squares of 12 to 13 cm dimension. You can use 6 to 8 sheets. Stack the sheets, then accordion fold the pile to make about 1.5 cm wide pleats. Press down to crease the folds. Now staple the center of this fold. Round both the ends of the tissue paper stack using scissors to make a scalloped edge. Slowly and gently unfold your pom-pom by pulling up one layer at a time towards the center. Unfold the pleats from both sides. Ruffle and reposition the sheets carefully until you get an arrangement you like. Make as many pom-poms as you want. Now let's make the paper doily flowers. Stack 5-6 doilies together and roughly draw a 5-petal flower shape on the top doily and cut it out. Now separate the stacked doilies. To make the center portion of the flower, just cut out the center of the doily like this and separate them. Now gather the doily from one end and make small fringes. Shape it into a round pattern and staple it at the bottom. Attach the center portion to the 5-petal flower shape with some hot glue. It's time to arrange everything together. With the help of a needle and thread, I inserted the doily flower and pom-poms to a thread. After inserting each flower, I secured it in position with the help of a drop of hot glue. Leave generous gap in between the flowers so that it won't look overcrowded. That's how I made an easy setup for a small gathering at home during this pandemic. This is the final look. Here are some pictures of the function. Hope you like it. See you next week with another easy DIY session. Thank you.